D9T, fellas, D9T. Get her dead. Some bitch is strong. Good morning, TikTok. We are starting a dirt work job today. This pond right here, it's extremely dry here and it's low, so it's a really good time to do this job. But this dam makes a U shape, and there was a huge oak tree. As you can see, it's laying in the pond, and the other half of it's laying down behind the dam right there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come in here and take all those trees off that dam and then recore it and go straight across that hollow with it and make the dam straight. So we're waiting on the 336 to be fixed so we can get it out here with a thumb on it. But decided we'd bring the old D6D out here and start knocking some trees down, just try to get a little start on it. But this is a before video. Maybe I can show y'all an after video here in the near future. Y'all have a good day. Well, we get off of grandpa, get on grandson. So I just finished getting all the mist stumps. So I just checked all my fluids in this dozer. This is the D6C. Got my 24 volt power on, and it got a little cool last night, so it might get a little cool start. Not a cold start, but a cool start. Let's see what she'll do without heat. Let's heat them glow plugs up a little bit. Gotta ease down here and put a little fuel in this dozer. It's about out. Y'all have a good day, TikTok.